How to upload music on Spotify on iPhone. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to upload music on Spotify on iPhone, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What I'm going to do first is to go into the Spotify app on my phone. So now when I'm on my Spotify app and I want to upload music to Spotify, then I will need to click where it says home. When I'm in here, then I will need to click on this settings wheel in the top right corner. Now we need to scroll down until we can see where it says local files, and that is exactly where we need to click. As you can see, this function will allow you to add tracks from this device into your library. So what you will need to do now is to simply check this option right here. And as you can see, your local files has now been added to your library. I am now going to show you how to find those local files, so keep watching. We need to click where it says your library right here. You can now scroll down until you can find your local files. Mine is in here, so I will click on it. In here you will be able to see all of your songs that you have on your local files, and they will be uploaded to your Spotify. So if you did everything correct, then you should be able to have all of your songs that you have on your iPhone. They should be in here right now. But if they are not in here, then you should check this app called Files. The local files should be somewhere in the Files application on your iPhone app. So just go into the app called Files if you have an iPhone. If this method does not work for you, then I would recommend you to email to the Spotify support and ask them to fix this issue for you. And hopefully, after you have done that, then they will be able to help you with this. Let me know in the comments below if you have questions. I will try to answer to as many as I can, so don't hesitate to ask. And also, don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be useful to you. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you a great day.